Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get NVIDIA Canvas. NVIDIA Canvas is an incredible tool that uses artificial intelligence to turn your simple brushstrokes into realistic landscape images. Imagine painting a basic outline and watching it transform into a detailed mountain range or a serene river. To begin, you will need to ensure you have an NVIDIA RTX graphics card, which is essential for running this powerful application. Before diving in, let's confirm your system meets the requirements. You will need an NVIDIA RTX graphics card, specifically an RTX 2000 series or newer. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date, using either the latest game-ready or studio driver. Additionally, 16 gigabytes of RAM is recommended for smooth operation, and your operating system must be a 64-bit version of Windows 10 or 11. Now, let's get Canvas onto your computer. First, navigate to the official NVIDIA Canvas product page on the NVIDIA website. Look for the prominent Download button and click it to start downloading the application installer. Once the download is complete, run the installer file. Simply follow the clear on-screen prompts, accept the license agreement, and select your desired installation directory to finish the setup process. With Canvas installed, it's time to launch it. Open the application from your desktop shortcut or the Start menu. You will immediately see the intuitive interface. Start by exploring the diverse material palettes and style options to understand their impact. Remember, you can use simple shapes and colors to rapidly generate incredibly complex and realistic landscapes. Don't hesitate to experiment with various brush types to achieve your unique artistic vision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.